Hi guys, an update on energy fuels with this 886 hit here, and you know I don't like it for a wave 2. Still have this 1-2 setup on the chart, but because we hit the 886, probabilities have also increased that we take this low, and that made me look at the situation again. Not really anything is gonna change, but I'm just gonna do this, okay? A, B, C, or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your wave A, or we end it here. It doesn't really matter, that I just want to end my B wave here, but I'll label it like this. It's nicer like this. Let me put this in red to make it a little bit more clear what I'm doing, and then add here this ABC within the A wave, and these go back in pink. Oh fuck. Like this. So this is your A wave, then here we had the B wave, again an ABC, okay, and then from there this C wave for the wave 4 that we are in. If I put it like this, we need 5 waves in your wave C, and this could be the way to do it, okay? So that this is a wave 4 happening now. That's why I have these two like lines as well, okay? If you break this one to the upside, would confirm probably this third wave. If you break the trend line to the downside, it would confirm we dip one more time for this fifth wave of this C wave of this larger wave 4, okay? Point of control, we're losing it from this range at 15.52. Let's see if we can get back above it. We still have 3 hours for this 4-hour candle. And yeah, I hope it's clear what I'm saying. I'll delete this internal count, not to make it too crowded, the chart. And then yeah, if we break this to the downside with this 886 hit now, watch the $13.46 level, and then watch the trend line coming from here, the start of April, okay? What more can I do? Maybe I can add a box for this wave C, like this, but we've reached all of them, so I can only add the 1.618 still, like this. Okay, and that's also in line with the fib and the trend line, should we go down. And yeah, maybe I could put this here and the B wave here, yep, then it would just change like this. It would just go a little deeper, but I'm leaning towards this. But it makes then sense to make one more low if I look at it this way. And yeah, again, this scenario has opened the door, or like has entered the chat, because we hit the 886 here, okay? Even though the reaction was strong, I don't like a wave 2 hitting the 886, so beware. And it would be then a 10-15% drop for potentially then a zone where we can try again. But of course, watch the upper trend line as well. If we break it, we could be in the third wave. Uranium energy is weaker, I think. Yep. Again, today we opened. Is this, what the fuck? Yeah, damn, it opened really deep. I didn't even see that. It keeps doing it. Uranium energy and energy fuels, they dip, like they open the market very low and then they pump. So it's up 11%, although we're down 4% on the day. Stock sales plan, what is this? They're gonna so I don't know exactly, but I think they want to sell $600 million in stocks, but for example at the price at, for example, $10, okay? So maybe that's why like the price is dropping, but you can see we had here a 1-2 scenario potentially. Didn't do the job, but still, yeah, we are still in this zone. The fibs taken from this wave 2 low to this wave 3 high. We are, yeah, at the golden ratio. We don't want price to get to $9 ideally in this scenario, but we're still far away from it. And considering that we are oversold, let's see, it's trying a few times now already with the market open with these pumps, but we're not, yeah, above this trend line yet. That's the first task, and then this swing here is the next task. And now once we have a few more candles, I can maybe then add again the fibs for potentially again a 1-2 setup. Also for the C wave, we have now, yeah, reached all of those targets. I can remove them, just add the 1.618 as a last target. And now we're also approaching this vertical line. Like I said previously, it's comparing, yeah, the length of your wave 2 in time with the length of your wave 4 in time. And ideally we go near it. I've been saying it ever since we started this. And now we are in a place where I am happy. So yeah, watch the 4-hour RSI as well. Maybe this wants to push the oversold. Would need then a few more days of going down. Same for energy fuels, although this one looks a bit stronger, already moving slightly to the upside. This one, yeah. But you know what to look for. Uranium energy, $10.26, and then yeah, $9.40, $9.01. We don't want to hit this, okay. And then for energy fuels, again, watch the point of control, 15.52, and then watch the two trend lines here. If we break down, we test this. If we break up, we are already in the move higher, okay? Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.